Smart living focuses on improving quality of life and reducing dash. Smart homes use dash and IoT to control devices remotely. Smart cities enhance public services and reduce dash. A smart thermostat can adjust the dash based on user preferences. Fitness trackers are a type of dash device. Smart devices learn from dash behavior to optimize performance. Smart cities often use dash grids to manage electricity efficiently. Smart devices in homes are controlled via dash or mobile apps. The future of smart living will focus on dash energy consumption. A key feature of smart living is dash-driven decision-making.